application of data validation practical project sheet. Now we are moving to the application of data validation using a real project task sheet. First, we already have a master activity list containing task ID, activity name, team responsibility. Step 1, data validation for task ID. Go to the task ID cell. Click on data validation list. Select the task ID column from the activity list as the source. Now copy and paste this validation to the enter task ID column. You will notice that a drop down list appears. From this list, we can directly select the required task ID. Now this makes data entry fast, accurate and error free. Next we are coming to step 2, auto fetch activity using VLOOKUP. In the activity column, we use VLOOKUP. Lookup on task ID, table array is the activity list and the column index is activity name. As soon as we select a task ID, the activity name automatically appears. This clearly shows the power of data validation combined with VLOOKUP. Now in the step 3, data validation for start date. Now move to the start date column. Go to data, then data validation, then date. Choose the option between. Set the minimum and maximum date range. This ensures that the entered start date must fall within the defined project period. The same rule can be applied to the end date. This gives the project duration automatically. Now in step 5, team responsibility using VLOOKUP. Next is the team responsibility column. Again we use VLOOKUP to fetch the responsibility team from the activity list. But here you may notice an not applicable error appearing in some cells. Then what is the problem and what's the solution? Why does this happen? When we copy the formula down, the array range shifts automatically. To fix this, we use the $sign to lock the table array for absolute cell reference. Okay. Once fixed, copy the formula again and the any error disappears and the correct team name is shown. This method works for any formula where the reference must remain fixed. So in gist, through this project sheet, you can clearly understand practical use of data validation list and date, how it reduces manual errors, how it works perfectly with VLOOKUP, why absolute references are important. This is how data validation makes Excel smart, controlled and professional. Thank you.